to let the burden go, expanding patience in the ebb and flow, healing the wounds I never meant to keep, softening storms that once ran far too deep, calming the thoughts that pull me out of line, searching for peace in corners hard to find, shaping my prayers with every breath I take, hoping the path ahead begins to break. May every step be eased along the way, may every shadow slowly drift away. I'm holding on through everything I feel, trusting the quiet moments as they heal. I'm trying hard to free what weighs me down, widening patience where my fears have grown, mending the hurt that echoes in my chest, cooling the fire I never meant to test, steadying thoughts that shake under the strain, searching for calm beneath the rising rain, sending out wishes with a steady mind, praying the road ahead will turn more kind. I shape the dark into a brighter hue, turning the old into something new, guided by hope in everything I do. May all I seek return in mercy too. I breathe release and open up the air, unloading weight I'm not meant long to bear, each passing moment teaching me to rise, finding the strength behind my worn out skies. May the rest unfold with gentle grace, a softened heart in this uncertain place. I walk the path that life has asked me to, praying the way grows lighter as I move.